she meets me in the morning. The Holy Spirit got me feeling like I'm a kid on the weekend. Like, oh, ain't it good to know that everything's in your control? And oh, what a peace of mind. You make everything alright. Something about your presence makes me feel good. Like I don't have to worry about a thing. Even when the wind and waves are rising, I know I'm safe and sound in your love. I know I'm safe and sound in your love. Oh, Holy Father, Son, and Spirit, you deserve the praise. I was in that water headed for an early grave. Couldn't catch your breath and was on me like a weight. So you took me up, now I'm walking on the waves. Like, oh, ain't it good to know that everything's in your control? And oh, what a peace of mind. You make everything alright. Something about your presence makes me feel good. I don't have to worry about a thing. Even when the wind and waves are rising, I know I'm safe and sound in your love. I know I'm safe and sound in your love. I'm saved and free in every way, standing on you night and day. I'm safe and sound, safe and sound. I'm saved and free in every way, standing on you night and day. I'm safe and sound, safe and sound. Something about your presence makes me feel good. I don't have to worry about a thing. Even when the wind and waves are rising, I know I'm safe and sound in your love. I know I'm safe and sound in your love.
Hey, check. Yeah. Whoa. If there's one thing I know, hey, yeah, God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. Okay, some days be the best. Some days be the worst. Some days stay on replay. Other days they don't. Oh well, okay. Guess what? You woke up today. Put a big smile on your face. This one thing ain't never gonna change. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. It ain't one thing he can't do. Took my old ways, got me feeling brand new. Oh, hey, yo, Caleb, make sure that it's understood.
Okay, for the summertime, how you been too good? Popped out that grave like I popped up that hood. Popped out that chain when I popped out that book. Say that one name, watch a demon get shook. Hopped out that pot and we let him cook. Lucy need a chill cause he don't run this, my dog. You can see we living in abundance, my dog. Lies from the snake, had to punch it, my dog. Had to punch it, my dog. God is good, God is great, thank you for this play. Amen. Pray the Lord, take my soul to the heaven gate. Take it, I would do the race like I caught a case. When I ain't got nothing left, you a call away.
God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the shine. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't,
Hey, traders, we've got a rule change.
When I'm overwhelmed within from the weight of all my sin, I need a friend.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open. Just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age.
What's up, chat? What's up, gang? How you guys doing? Good morning. Shout out to 5 viewers right now. Good morning, everybody. Let me see who's in the chat. Good morning, gang. What's up? What's up?
I should have called Todd cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me. Pray for YG.
Pray for YG.
Pray for TC. Pray for Reed, HJ, and Clean.
What's up, Massive Prophet? How you doing?
Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same.
How you doing? All right, chat. What's up, Jan? How you doing? Long time, brother. Long time. How you doing? Where have you been, bro? John. Oh. Gold move crazy yesterday, huh? 4,300 pip. Holy man. BC, yeah, cool. All right, let me do top down here. Let's start with a weekly time frame. Give me a second. All right, gang, you guys ready? Let me do top down here. Let's start with the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, as you can see here on price, we close bearish, heavy, so heavy bearish closure. It's a good idea here. We move heavy, and we almost filled the wick on the left hand side. As you can see, we have a resistance form, right? We got, I'd say, resistance form. We have support form, and this candle closure is massive. We almost filled the range, but as you can see, the open of the candle, I can say that this candle has no, didn't create any steeper top wick to confirm that we gonna move heavy, right? And as you can see, the previous candle has no bottom wick too. So I would expect that this candle wanna rip down pretty heavy. You need to see that top wick and then move down pretty heavy too, like this, to retest this kind of support, 4,000 support, 4,000 zone. So we have some reactions here on the price. There's minor levels here. Let's see what will happen here. Let's drop down to the daily time frame. So the daily, as you can see here, we are heavy bearish. Right after resistance form there, you got a support form here too. We got support form. So all the support on the left hand side has been break, right? So as you can see how the candles are moving, how the body of the candles are pretty bearish. You have bearish move, no bottom wick, but still pushing down heavy, right? So we got some support, sort of support form here. As you can see, we tap some support form, and right now we have some rejections on price. And as you can see, this kind of wick fill is massive, right? Let's see how this candle move. 3,000 pip wick fill. So probably uh I don't think if we can grab this potential, move, right, like this, I don't think so. So I probably expect this candle probably bullish. Let's see. Do we have news today? So the news for the day. So we have minor folders here, ADP weekly. So it's all yellow folders here. 5:45 p.m. Dubai time PMI. We have PMI. So let's see if we can give this push for the day. Let's see. That's the daily drop down for the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour, as you can see here on price, big candles, support form. We got sorts of resistance form here. So this is the range, right? This is the overall range of 4-hour time frame. We got 2,350 pip range. So we stuck in a range basically. Too many resistance on the left hand side. As you can see, we got resistance form here to support, and this is the next resistance that we're gonna tap in, right? So this gonna be probably observation zone on the 4-hour time frame, because of this kind of wicks on the left hand side. We're tapping resistance, we're reacting, and they're flipping bearish, right? So let's drop down to the hourly. So the hourly, as you can see here on price, resistance form, support, so stuck in a range, but the range is massive. The range is big. So let's see here. 30 minutes time frame. Yeah. So we're heading up towards the resistance level here. And as you can see, there's no closure above yet for the price, to move up. 15, yeah. So 15, as you can see, right? Looks the same on the 30. So I'm gonna mark my levels on the 15. So resistance form. Resistance. It's gonna be support. I probably can use this. Right, that's gonna be, because we have sort of support form right there. Right? So let's see here. We got some potential probably sells here going down if the candle closed below. So it looks clean because of the range. The range is big. 297 pip range, and then going down to, we got the same 280 pip range. So let's see here if we can grab some potentials for the day. Let's see. Let's see. So if you have any questions, gang, let me know in the chat. Make sure drop a like here. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Any questions? Let me know. Shout out to 12 viewers right now. How you guys doing? How you doing? How are ya? Do, 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 do. Manoj, how you doing? No stream yesterday. Yeah, so I have plans yesterday, early yesterday afternoon, so I didn't show up in the stream. Right now I'm here. I am here, man. I haven't. My last trade was else last Friday, and yeah, I didn't take any trades yesterday too. Got some else there. Buying gold. So yeah, clapping. Yesterday, the candles, man, are massive. I don't know where I can put my stuffs. The setup is there, but I don't want to touch anything. Would you look at this? 50 minutes time per move, 600 pip. Like no top wick, right? This is a clean range. Look at that, right? Resistance form, close below the range too, and you have a clean traffic to move down. This kind of setup is nice, but I wanna see top wick first. Top wick and then move down. Oh, this is Asian session now. I mean this New York session kind of stuffs. This one. This one is nice setup too. On onion. This one is not nice. Impulse, yeah. This one is impulse. Looks nice. Enter on the rebroke of this low, but yeah. What time is this? Oh, it's 8:15, 7:15. No, I'm not gonna touch anymore. 7:15. I'm out at 7 p.m. So no need to chase. Right now, I'd say the volume on the New York kind of pulling up late because NYSE open around 5:30 p.m. Dubai time, but the volume kind of slow, and they're showing up the volume moving around 6, almost 7 p.m. Dubai time. Around I don't know what time in the US, probably 11, going 12 p.m. The volumes be spike up. So yeah, man. How you doing, chat? Robias, how you doing? How's the journey, man? Are you trading live account, or are you trading, are you funded trader too? Do 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 do. My broker, We use Vantage. Yep, normally we use Vantage. But right now I don't have any live account. I only use funded account. I'm trying this funded next 6,000. Oh, they have new one. They have a new stuffs. New account 6,000 two steps account. Oh, nice. Yeah, try it, bro. Try it and take it slow. Everything needs to take slow. Everything needs to calm down. Being a funded trader, you're gonna blow a lot of accounts. You know, you're gonna blow funded challenge, and that's pretty normal if you are a funded trader. Blowing an account, that's pretty normal. Goalie, very cheap. Oh, nice. Yeah, how much is that? $30, $20. Funded next. Let's see funded next. Oh, you know, funded next is based in Dubai. I mean, yeah, based in UAE. Oh, they have 6K. Oh, nice. Oh, this one. $59. Oh, nice. 100K is 149 still. 549 is the same with the FTMO. Yeah. You're gonna take reward once you become up-funded. Yeah. I believe this one is along with the first payout. Yeah. Funding pips is cheaper. Yeah, funding pips is cheaper. Yeah, funding pips is based in Dubai broker. I mean firm. News trading, oh nice. Minimum trading days, 5 days. First withdrawals after 21 days. 21 days, too much. FTMO only 2 weeks. Yeah, 15 days. But on the top of the profit that you made in the account, you're gonna have at least this 117,950. Oh, nice, right? But yeah, right now I'm not planning to change my prop firm until I become max allocation, max allocated in FTMO. So I'm gonna focus on one more, just one, and then take it another prop firm. Yung may bonus, I don't have any idea for now, bro, on that broker. If you trade the news, they will email right away and take a 60% split. Oh, really? Damn. In FTMO, they have two, I believe 2 or 3 minutes rules. And yeah. See ya, how you doing? Buy top step, bro. Right now I don't have any, thing. I'm not thinking to buy a top step. Probably soon, but right now no. I wanna trade CFD. Future probably next year I'm gonna try, or probably this year. Before probably start of quarter 4 or quarter 3. Let's see. So right now I don't have any, idea about futures. So I need to learn futures thing too. But I believe it's the same how the CFD move, but the price is different. So yeah, I need to check on that. But right now, I'm gonna focus more on CFDs. CFDs must be nice. I started CFD, so I don't wanna change. I'm still young, bro. I'm still young in trading. I'm still 2 years to trading, coming 2.5 years. So yeah, let's see. I don't want to rush. No, I don't want to rush things. Don't want to rush things. I'm happy with the FTMO right now. Can you review the two trades that's been lost? Yeah, sure. Where's that? So this I took this trade. Which one? Yeah. So as you can see here, right, we are pretty massive bearish, right? So this kind of move is bearish. But look at this. Look at this closure. So now let's say I'm gonna write this on the chart so you guys can see. So we got move, right? We got move like this, and we know that we are massive bearish form. And as you can see here on the journal, we got this kind of wicks that close. But the problem here is we got, a little bit of top wick. But my advantage here is open of the NYSE. So will give me, NYSE will give you volume, right? And the thing here is I hold the trade. I don't know how much. I believe I see 45 pips coming, 50 pips on this trade, but I didn't close. I didn't take any partial because I know that this NYSE will move up to probably um correct this move, fill the range because it's clean traffic to move up, right? So what happened here is I take a buy after creating a bottom wick, right? Like this. So I enter a buy on the rebroke of the high. So what happened here is you rebroke, you move up. I didn't close any partial. I didn't close the trade because I know it gonna move up like this. But didn't happen. What happened here is create a top wick and push heavy like this. So I stopped. I uh put my SL on the 50 or 45 pips like that. Yeah. So here. Yeah. I managed the trade there because I know if you rebroke the high and then you're starting to rebroke the current candle low, yeah, it will probably gonna push down pretty heavy because of this no top wick confirmation. So yeah. Range to buy is better. Yes, range to buy is better, but you need to ask yourself if you still on the session. All right? Range to buy will work if we have a volume. Right? Let's say you are in the London session or London Open, NYSE Open, that gives you a lot of volume. So yeah, that's gonna be work. That's gonna work. And you know that candles are moving big, so you have volume. But if the candles are moving very slow and you see that the candles are closing, um the body of the candles are closing small, man, stay away now. Stay away. So yeah. The other trade, this one, where is that? Yeah, I believe it's buy two. Yeah, this one. So an impulse buy. This is an impulse buy. I guess this is London. I after the stream. Yeah, it's around 2:30 p.m. after the stream. So the problem there, where was that? Wait, this is the 30 minutes time frame. Hmm, 15. Okay. Wait, we need to check where is that? Where is the move? It's on Friday. Yeah, this one. So we marked this level so far, right? We marked this support, resistance, and I got buys here on the rebroke of this high. This one I took buy on this candle. So this, because I know it will move down, it will move up, because we still have volume. But what happened here is fake out, move down heavy. So take the L's there. How much the yeah, this kind of L's. 120, 100, how much is 120 pp loss? Yeah. And shoot down heavy. Look at that. So yeah, man. It is what it is. And I haven't take any trade yesterday because of massive stops. I kind of wait for the market calm down. But let's see here today. We just need to wait for the candle to close and probably take this opportunity to move down. One candle closure would be nice. I would have not taken the second trade. Yeah. Sometimes we ask ourselves after the trade, but it's okay. It's that trade is okay for me because this trade is an impulse trade. I got a candle close bullish. I got a candle close bullish, and this candle starting to move up, and I know that we still have volume. We have clean traffic to move up. So I'm gonna take that impulse. But didn't push through. It's okay. It happens. It's all about probabilities. That's my probability. So yeah. That's why every traders in this world has different perspective in terms of price action chart. The candle didn't close. Yeah, the candle didn't close above. That's why I told you that it's impulse, impulse buy. So Friday you also wanted massive profit. So Friday you also no, it's a trade. It's a setup. It's not massive profit. 11 minutes for the candle to close. Let's see here. Damn, we are rebroking the lows here. Look at that. 162 pip. How much percent? Are you green this month? Yeah, I believe I'm still green this month. I'm still green at least $1,000. I'm green. I'm green this month. In my quarter one, my profit quarter one was 13,600. So quarter one, yeah, my last withdraw, where is that? This one. So yeah, man, this is my last withdraw, March 10. So I'm still up, monthly wise, I'm still up. Quarter one, good. Boom, boom. If you buy more accounts and copy trade, then yeah, I know, bro. If I bought more challenge it and it will, if I copy all of them, man, it's gonna be massive profit. I know that, but I don't want to be greed. you can easily make six figures. Yeah, I know, but it takes time. I know it takes time, but I need to wait. I don't want to be rich. Right now, I'm focusing more on scaling up, probably uh, get a max allocated in FTMO and then buy more challenges. I don't want to, some of the prop firm, they don't allow copy trades, especially in CFD, only FTMO. FTMO doesn't care about if you're copying your trade, if you're copying the the account into another account then to another account. But some of the perm, they don't want, especially funded next and funding pips. 50-50 profits. It's okay, bro. It will come, man. It will come. I just need to be patient. My time will come. My time will come. You see Raja Banks made a million in a day. Yeah, the time will, man. He is legend. He is in industry for 10 years now. And those psychological things, psychological mindset, his mindset is he built that brick by brick. His mindset didn't build overnight, right? So it man, you need to build yourself brick by brick, slowly but surely. That's the mindset he has. So I need to build that too. I don't want to rush things. I don't want to rush because if you're rushing things, man, it's easy profit, easy money, but those money will come easily. I mean, we will lose easily. Trade NY? I don't think I can trade NY, but soon, man. Let's see. I wanna trade, 2 sessions probably. Let's see. Now my focus is to reach the 1K subs, and let's see if we can do NY session. 10K subs, yeah, probably 10K subs. Yeah, that's gonna be a good idea, Robius. 10K subs. We reach 10K subs, I'm gonna live 2 sessions, London and NY. We're gonna lock in every single day, Monday through Friday. Let's get it, yeah. Let's go. You guys need to help me to reach those 10K and then enjoy the NY session, probably. Then start Discord. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna start everything. Everything, yeah. Start everything, man. Oh, this candle are pushing through. This candle are pushing. Holy. But having more viewers got a lot of hate too, man. You cannot do anything about hating, about haters. They just gonna watch you. Right now, I don't care about hating. If they hate me, I hate them too. And as long as they're not adding value to you, you doesn't care anything. I know I don't care too. As long as they didn't add value, I don't care. They're just noise. So avoid those noise. All right. Focus on the thing. Hating is always there, you know. Hater is always there. Everywhere. One minute and 30 seconds, gang. Let's see here. 30 minutes candle close. Oh, lit. Nice, nice, nice. We have clean traffic for 30 minutes here. The Arlie is still open here. Oh, the Arlie is rebroking the lows. So that's gonna be the thing. That's gonna be the idea. Starting to rebroke this low and should move down pops. Should pops down pretty heavy. 30 minutes. We need a bottom wick. Bottom wick. Bottom wick. Bottom wick. Oh. Alrighty, chat. Let's see if we can create some top wick here. A top wick. Wick fill. 59 pips wick fill. Do 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 do. Oh, no top wick. Pushing down now. Oh, lit. Yeah, we need to create C top wick. And we can probably use this Karen candles for stops. If this candle create top wick, at least 4401 starting to rebroke the low, we probably gonna end the trade. Here. See top wick. Need to see this top wick and then start to rebroke that. All right, I guess that's gonna be a good idea now. Chat, I'm gonna uh put the sell stop on the rebroke of the previous candle low. Right there. Dang, yeah. So we can probably use this kind of stops. Right? 100 pip if we start to rebroke the lows now. We need to see those rebroke the lows. Can we rebroke the lows? It's not far from resistance. Yeah, resistance out there. This one is resistance. But I can use the stops, this kind of stops here, the current candle stops. Because this 30, if we want to continue move down, we'll move down. 30, yeah, we can use the 30 too, because look at this. We broke all the lows here. Like, so we still have range to fill down. There's gonna be range. It's a clean range. Clean, clean. Mm, 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 mm. Clean range. Do. Can we rebroke the lows now and move down? Oh, 4 hour is about to close. Let's see. Bullish. Yeah, we'll close bullish. But as you can see, there's no closure above yet. So if this candle close, probably bullish like this. Small body candle bullish. Yeah, we still, the sell stop is gonna be, I'm still gonna hold this sell stop because it's an impulse to move down. It looks like this. Oh, where's that? This looks like this. If this candle close the same, this, yeah, it should move down. Let's see here, gang. Let's see, man. Boom, 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 boom. Goldie, what you wanna do now? You wanna do a fake out candle? You wanna move up? You wanna move up? Oh, don't wanna push. Goldie wanna push up here. Fake out. Probably it's gonna be a fake out candle. This candle close above, yeah. Again, we'll push up. Retest the resistance. 7 minutes. And the last 5 minutes of the candle probably gonna remove sell stop. Do 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 do. Oh, late candle. Oh, late. Let's see here. I'm gonna still, hold this. Last 4 minutes. Retest. Yeah, probably that's the retest. Structure in the early in the four. It's bearish, it's creating structure, higher highs, higher lows. I mean lower highs, lower lows. Yeah. So let's see if we can pop. We can pop down. We can pop. We need a pop. Oh, that's the 5 minutes push up. 83 pips. Look at the 5 here. No good. No good. Three minutes. Yeah, I'm probably gonna remove sell stop now, chat. Let's see if we can have one more potential sales here. No Benos now. Look at the 5 here. I thought it's gonna move down because of this 5 minutes candle. Then retest again. Yeah, we might see fake out here. Fake out. Are we selling? No, not yet. Not yet. We need to wait. Two minutes for the candle to close. We need to wait for the candle closure now. Yeah, 40 seconds for the candle to close. Man. Still look nice here. On the re broke the low. Looks clean to move down. Impulse. Impulse, impulse. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, right now we need to wait, gang. I don't know what happened to gold now. No move. Nobody move. Nobody move. Goldie Goldie. Probably we're gonna wait for our closure now. Early closure for our closure. Bum. Chat, what's the deal now? What's the deal? What's the deal? We might range today now. This 30 minutes time frame, we might see this. Moving on. Ranging during London session. And this 4-hour time frame, the next four might, consolidate, and then NYSE pops. Yeah. So this next 4 hour probably get like close like this, and then NYSE will pops up. NYSE might be, let's see. Yeah, close the chart. Yeah, that's gonna be a good idea. Close the chart and then do something else. Touch the grass, man. Working out. Do something else. Your job is done today. I mean, your job is done for this session. Come back on the next session. No forcing anything today. We don't need to force. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, look at that. Early closure, early fake out here. Look at that. So 15 might want to push up here. The fake out it is. So probably on the 30, once you rebroke this high on the left, might shoot up. Might shoot up. We might shoot up here, chat. Holy smokes. Yeah, I guess nothing here. Yeah, we're stuck in a range here, so it's gonna be an observation zone here, chat. This zone, the red zone, is no tradable zone for now. Probably close above is good, 100 pip, 140, 150 pip range to move up. Advantage once we close above is the wick fill. Once we close this, advantage the wick fill, so we can move up. And for the sells, yeah, we might see. We need to wait for the candle probably close below to move down pretty heavy. Like this. So yeah, man. We might range here today, gang. I mean, we might range on the London session, but NYSE might give you directions and potential, right? So right now, chat, I'm gonna call it stream here. Nothing for us today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Thank you for tuning into the live stream today. Appreciate you all, chat. Yeah, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat, man. See you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. W's all the way out here. W's in the chat. Let's go.
So happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, 'cause I know that God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are His best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that He loves you and He can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light.